Hey everyone, welcome back. We're going to be talking about a fascinating way to make money online, specifically affiliate marketing, and even more specifically, a method that some people are calling the ghost method for ClickBank.
Interesting.
Have you heard of this before?
I have. Yeah. It's been making the rounds lately.
Yeah, I've been seeing it pop up a lot too, and so I thought this would be a really great topic to dig into. So ClickBank, for anybody who's not familiar, is basically a platform where you can find and promote all kinds of digital products. So you're essentially acting as a middleman between the product creator and the customer, and every time somebody buys through your special link,
Yeah,
you earn a commission.
exactly. And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You don't have to create your own products. You can leverage the work of others and still earn a substantial income.
Yeah, exactly. And what's really interesting about this ghost method is that it's all about making this process as hands-off and automated as possible. So the idea is to set up systems that work for you even when you're not actively working.
That's the dream, right? Passive income.
Yes, exactly. The dream. So let's break it down and figure out how this whole ghost method actually works. The first step seems to be all about picking the right products to promote on ClickBank.
Absolutely. Product selection is crucial.
So what should we be looking for?
Well, the key here is to focus on a specific category or niche.
Oh, that makes sense. So instead of trying to promote everything under the sun, we should specialize,
Yeah.
become an expert in one particular area.
Right. When you niche down, you become the go-to source for information in that niche, and that builds trust with your audience.
Okay, I like that. And well, what kind of niche would you recommend for someone just starting out with this?
Well, the method we're looking at today suggests starting with health and fitness.
Okay.
It's a huge market, it's evergreen, and the commissions can be pretty impressive.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, people are always looking for ways to improve their health and well-being.
Exactly. And there are some really popular products in this category with high average commissions.
Oh, like what?
Well, there's Java Burn, a weight loss product with an average commission of $141 per sale. Wow.
Or Glucose 6, a blood sugar supplement offering $129 per sale.
Okay, and are these digital products or are we talking about like physical supplements?
These are all digital, so it's even easier to promote because there's no shipping or handling involved.
Oh, I see. So people buy them and they get immediate access to the information of the program.
Exactly. Digital products are definitely the way to go for affiliate marketing.
Makes sense. So we've got Java Burn, we've got Glucose 6. Any other examples?
Yeah, there's Predentum, an oral health product with an average commission of $132.
Okay, so these are just a few examples, but you can see the potential here.
Yeah.
And I imagine there are tons of other products out there in the health and fitness niche.
Oh, absolutely. ClickBank has a massive marketplace, so you're sure to find something that resonates with you.
Now, you mentioned that these products have high average commissions. What does that actually mean?
So it means that on average, for every sale of that product, you'll earn that amount in commission.
But it could be higher or lower depending on various factors.
Exactly. Okay. And do you have any other tips for choosing the right products?
Yeah, especially if you're new to this. Look for products that you can start promoting right away, ones that don't require any special approval from the vendor.
Oh, that's a good point. So
Yeah.
we don't want to get bogged down with a bunch of red tape and waiting periods.
Right, the quicker you can get up and running, the better.
Yeah, absolutely. And, we were looking at some research earlier, and one thing that really stood out to me was that dashboard filled with sales across a whole bunch of different products.
Oh, yeah. That was really eye-opening, wasn't it?
It really highlighted the power of promoting a variety of products within your chosen niche. It's kind of like diversifying your portfolio. You increase your chances of connecting with customers and making those sales.
Exactly. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them out and see what works best for you.
Okay, so we've got a better understanding of how to choose the right products. Now, let's talk about the core of this ghost method, using YouTube videos to promote those affiliate links.
That's where the magic happens.
But here's the twist. These are faceless videos, meaning you don't have to appear on camera.
That's right.
That's a game changer for a lot of people, I think, because not everyone is comfortable being in front of the camera.
Absolutely. Some people are camera shy or just prefer to stay behind the scenes, and that's perfectly fine with this method.
Okay, so how does it work?
Well, the strategy revolves around targeting specific keywords on YouTube.
Keywords?
Yeah, words or phrases that people are searching for.
Okay.
And these keywords should be related to your chosen products.
So give me an example.
Sure, let's say someone searches for how to fix bad breath.
Okay.
They're clearly looking for a solution to a problem, right?
Yeah.
And a video addressing that problem could naturally lead them to a product like Prudentum, which we talked about earlier.
Oh, I see. So it's all about understanding your audience and providing content that aligns with their needs
Exactly.
and then subtly guiding them towards a product that could help them.
You got it. And you know that example we saw earlier? The video on how to fix bad breath had over 400,000 views. Wow.
That's a lot of people seeking help. And by creating a video that answers their question and subtly promoting Prudentum in the description, you're putting yourself right in front of a very interested audience.
It's like a perfect match. The viewer gets valuable information, and you have the potential to make a sale.
It's a win-win situation.
I love it. Now, you might be wondering how to create these videos without actually being on camera, especially if you're not a video editor or anything like that.
Yeah, that was my first thought too. But that's where the power of AI tools comes in.
AI, artificial intelligence.
Exactly.
Okay, how does that work?
Think of stock footage, voiceovers, subtitles all brought together seamlessly to create professional-looking videos.
Wait, so I could create a YouTube channel and potentially earn money without ever having to show my face?
That's the beauty of it.
That's amazing.
Technology is making content creation more accessible than ever before.
And you said there are actual examples of people doing this successfully. Oh yeah, the research highlighted a channel called Madas that covers a wide range of health topics, and they're using these AI-generated videos to promote various affiliate products.
Interesting. So they're basically haunting their target audience, showing up wherever they're searching for health information.
Exactly. It's about being present and consistent.
The more you show up, the more you build trust and authority in your chosen niche.
Right.
And what I find really cool about these Faceless YouTube channels is that you have two potential streams of income.
Oh yeah, tell me more about that.
So you've got the affiliate commissions from your links, and then once you meet YouTube's requirements, you can also earn from ads displayed on your videos.
It's like having multiple revenue streams working for you simultaneously.
Yeah, and the more videos you create, the more potential you have to earn.
Exactly. It's all about building up that library of content.
And when it comes to content, what's the best approach?
Well, instead of just focusing on one specific problem, try approaching your niche from different angles.
Oh, so instead of just doing a video on how to fix bad breath, I could also do videos on related topics like oral hygiene.
Exactly.
Or different types of toothpaste or natural remedies.
Right, you're casting a wider net and providing more value to your audience.
And the Modest channel does a great job of this. They cover various health topics, from bad breath to vitamins, acne, testosterone, cholesterol. They're really covering all their bases.
They are, and that allows them to promote a wider range of products and potentially earn more.
Makes sense. It's like creating a one-stop shop for all your audience's needs within your niche.
Exactly.
And all of this is made possible by these incredible AI tools.
Absolutely, they're game changers.
So tell me more about these tools. What can they actually do?
Well, let's take InVideo AI as an example.
Okay.
This software can generate video scripts based on your keywords.
So I just tell it what the video is about and it writes a script for me.
You got it. The AI analyzes top-performing videos on that topic and creates a unique script using relevant keywords and information. It's like having a research assistant and scriptwriter all in one.
That's incredible. So what happens after the script is written?
Then you choose a voiceover. InVideo AI offers various voices and accents, so you can select one that fits your style and target audience.
So I can have a British accent or an American accent.
Exactly. You can experiment and find what works best for you.
And what about the visuals?
Well, InVideo AI has a massive library of stock media, so you can search for specific keywords to find images and video clips that match your topic.
So for bad breath, I could search for toothbrush or mouthwash and find relevant visuals.
Exactly. And the software seamlessly integrates these visuals into your video, making it look professional and polished.
So I don't need any fancy editing skills.
Nope, not at all.
Wow. And what about subtitles and background music?
InVideo AI handles those too.
Really?
It automatically adds subtitles, making your videos accessible to a wider audience, and you can choose from a selection of royalty-free music tracks.
So I don't have to worry about copyright issues.
Nope, it's all taken care of.
That's amazing. It's like having a personal video editor doing all the heavy lifting.
That's the power of AI.
And with each video I create, it's like building a little piece of digital real estate, working for me 24/7, potentially bringing in passive income.
You got it.
It's a long-term strategy, not a quick fix, but the potential is huge.
Absolutely. And remember, it's not just about creating one video, it's about building a whole portfolio of videos.
Like planting seeds that will eventually grow into a forest.
Exactly.
This is all very exciting, and I'm sure our listeners are eager to learn more. So in the next part of our discussion, we'll dive deeper into the practical steps of creating these videos and optimizing them for success on YouTube.
Sounds good. Let's do it. Welcome back. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of creating these faceless YouTube videos that can actually make you money.
Okay, I'm ready to get my hands dirty.
Great. So we've talked about picking profitable products and finding the right keywords. Now it's time to bring it all together and create those videos.
I have to admit, I'm a little nervous. I've never made a YouTube video before.
Don't worry, it's easier than you think, especially with the tools we're going to be using.
Okay, that's reassuring.
The first thing to remember is that each video needs a clear structure, almost like a story.
A story, okay.
Yeah, you need a hook to grab the viewer's attention right from the start. Then you deliver valuable content that keeps them engaged. And finally, you have a call to action where you guide them towards your affiliate link.
Okay, I can see how that structure makes sense. Can you walk me through it with an example?
Absolutely. Remember our how to fix bad breath example from earlier?
Yeah.
Let's start with the hook. Something that immediately resonates with the viewer's problem. You could open with something like, are you constantly worried about bad breath? Do you avoid close conversations because of it?
Ooh, that's powerful. I'd keep watching.
Right. You're speaking directly to their pain point. And then you transition smoothly into providing valuable information. Offer tips, insights, maybe even home remedies related to bad breath.
So it's not just about pushing the product, it's about genuinely helping the viewer.
Exactly. The aim is to build trust and establish yourself as an authority on the topic.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
What about the call to action? How do we introduce the affiliate link without being too salesy?
That's a great question. You want to make it feel like a natural extension of the value you've already provided. You could say something like, if you're looking for a natural way to combat bad breath, you might want to check out Prodentum. I've included a link in the description below.
It feels more like a helpful suggestion than a hard sell.
Exactly. You want to come across as authentic and trustworthy.
So we've got the structure down. Now, how do we actually create these faceless videos? We talked about AI tools before, but I could really use a step-by-step guide.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Let's use InVideo AI as our example, since it's one of the most popular and user-friendly tools out there.
Sounds good.
The first step is generating a video script, and this is where the AI really shines.
How so?
Well, you simply type in your keyword, like how to fix bad breath, and the software will analyze top-performing videos on that topic and create a unique script for you.
Wait a minute. So I just tell the software what the video's about, and it writes a script for me?
Pretty much, yeah. It's like having a personal scriptwriter on demand.
That's mind-blowing.
I know, right? Technology is amazing these days.
What's next?
After you have your script, you need to choose a voiceover. InVideo AI offers a variety of voices and accents, so you can find one that suits your brand and target audience.
Ooh, this is getting exciting. I'm picturing myself scrolling through all these different voices.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
And what about the visuals?
Don't worry, InVideo AI has a massive library of stock media you can use. You can search for specific keywords to find images and video clips that match your topic.
So for bad breath, I could search for images of toothbrushes or mouthwash.
Exactly. And the software seamlessly integrates these visuals into your video, making it look super professional.
So I don't need any fancy editing skills.
Nope, the AI does all the heavy lifting for you.
This is incredible.
Yeah.
What about subtitles and background music?
InVideo AI takes care of those too.
Seriously?
It automatically adds subtitles to your videos, making them more accessible and engaging. And you can choose from a selection of royalty-free music tracks to add that extra polish.
Wow, this is like having a whole production team at my fingertips.
It kind of is, and
Right.
it's all powered by AI.
I can already see myself building a whole library of engaging, informative videos that could actually make me money.
That's the goal. And the best part is, as you create more videos, your earning potential grows exponentially.
It's like a snowball effect.
Exactly. And the more you learn and refine your process, the better your videos will become.
This is all very exciting, but I have one more question. How do we make sure these videos actually get seen? I mean, YouTube is a huge platform. How do we stand out from the crowd?
That's a great question. And it's where YouTube optimization comes in. We need to make sure our videos are reaching the right audience, the people who are actually interested in what we have to offer.
Okay, so how do we do that? All right, so we're back, and we've covered a lot of ground already. We've talked about finding those profitable products on ClickBank. We've talked about creating these faceless YouTube videos using AI tools. But now I want to shift gears a little bit and talk about the mindset and strategies. You need to actually succeed with this approach, because it's one thing to know the steps, but there's another thing to actually implement them and to stay motivated and to overcome challenges and to actually make this whole thing work.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. Building any successful business online or offline takes more than just technical knowledge. It's about having the right mindset and building habits that support your goals.
So when it comes to this ghost method, what kind of mindset are we talking about?
Well, first and foremost, it's about embracing a long-term perspective. This isn't about getting rich quick. This is about building a system that generates income over time.
So patience and persistence are key.
Absolutely. You need to be willing to put in the work knowing that the rewards will come gradually. Think of it like planting a garden. You wouldn't expect to see a bountiful harvest the day after you plant the seeds, would you?
No, of course not. It takes time and care and consistency.
Yeah, exactly. And just like tending a garden, you need to be consistent with your efforts when it comes to this ghost method. Aim to create and upload new videos regularly, even if it's just once a week. Remember, every video you add to your library increases your earning potential.
It's like building momentum, right?
Yeah.
Each video adds to the overall impact and brings you closer to your goals.
Exactly. And as you build that video library, don't be afraid to experiment and adapt.
So it's not just about following a rigid formula. It's about staying flexible and learning what works best for our specific audience.
Precisely. Pay attention to how your videos are performing. What kind of feedback are you getting from viewers? Are people engaging with your content? Are they clicking on your affiliate links? Be willing to adjust your approach as you learn more.
It sounds like it's all about being data-driven, constantly learning and improving.
Exactly. And just as important as it is to celebrate the wins, you also need to remember that setbacks are a part of the process.
So we shouldn't expect to become millionaires overnight. We should embrace the learning curve and celebrate those small wins along the way.
That's the spirit. And one thing that can be really helpful is finding your tribe.
Your tribe.
Yeah, connecting with other people who are on a similar journey.
Ah, I see.
Building a business online can sometimes feel isolating.
Yeah, that makes sense. You're spending a lot of time working independently.
Exactly. So it's important to find communities, forums, or groups where you can share experiences, exchange ideas, and support each other.
So it's like having a cheering section, encouraging you to keep going.
Exactly.
And one of the things that really excites me about this ghost method is that you're building a system that works for you even when you're not working.
That's the beauty of passive income. You're creating a stream of income that provides you with more freedom and flexibility.
I mean, it's exciting to think about waking up to find sales coming in from videos I created months ago.
Absolutely. It's like having a team of virtual salespeople working for you around the clock.
But even with a passive income system, we still need to stay engaged and monitor our progress, right?
Definitely. It's not about setting it and forgetting it. It's about actively managing and optimizing the system over time.
So we need to keep an eye on those analytics.
Exactly. And as your income grows, don't be afraid to reinvest in your business.
So that might mean exploring new tools, upgrading equipment, maybe even outsourcing tasks to free up more of our time.
Exactly. The key is to keep striving for growth and improvement. Look for ways to expand your reach, refine your approach, and always be learning.
Well, this has been an incredible journey.
Yeah.
I feel like we've really gone deep into this ghost method. We've covered the technical aspects, the importance of optimization, and the power of a long-term perspective.
Hopefully you're feeling inspired and ready to take action.
I am.
Remember, this ghost method can be a powerful way to build passive income and achieve your financial goals.
Absolutely. It's not a magic solution, but it's a strategic approach that combines technology, creativity, and a commitment to consistent effort.
And never forget the most important ingredient, your own determination and belief in yourself.
That's such an important reminder. Embrace the journey. Stay focused on your goals and never stop learning and growing. Thank you so much for joining us on this exploration of the ghost method. We'll see you next time.